In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix HVCI Enabled error in Valorant in Windows 7. This is usually caused by a settings in Windows Security and your BIOS. First, go to your Start menu and open up Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Then click on Windows Security. Now click on Device Security. Then select Core Isolation Details. Look for memory integrity. If it's on, go ahead and turn it off. From prompted, select yes. You will see a message saying you need to restart. Go to your Start menu and select Restart. Once your PC is back on, check if that issue is fixed now. If it is still not working, you need to enable virtualization technology in your BIOS. This might be called SVM or virtualization depending on your motherboard. To find the exact motherboard model, search PowerShell and open it. Paste the command from the description and press enter. Now you can see the manufacturer and the model name of your motherboard. Now you can use an AI tool like ChatGPT to get exact step for your model. I have given a prompt in the description. Just paste the model number there and copy this AI prompt and paste it into your ChatGPT or Gemini or any AI tool. You press enter, it will go through and tell you exactly how you can go and turn on virtualization on your motherboard. After you enable that in your BIOS, Valorant should run fine. So it's really simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful.